It's a great pleasure to be joining you all in support of our dear friend Koshi Thomas, who is a candidate for City Council from District 23. I'm aware and painfully aware that he is being challenged by another 3 Indian Americans, which should not happen. And I was just in an informal chat with George Abraham and Koshi, toying with the idea that it's more important to have an Indian American in the council than to have A or B or C or D. I don't know whether it works or not, but I will certainly like to broach the subject with all these 4 candidates, Indian American candidates, that if they agree, we could have a lottery system where whosoever wins the lottery alone contests, and we can be assured of the victory of an Indian American. We have, as Mr. Koshi told me, more than 5,000 voters of Indian origin here, and we need only 2,000 votes to win. I don't know whether the idea can work or not, but then I think sometimes the very foolish ideas can lead to a wise decision. Having said that, I would personally like to support Koshi Thomas, who has been working for the community, with the community over the last about 15 years that I know him. We had been together on many platforms. The last was when we all endorsed, the Indian Panorama endorsed Tom Swazi, and later it was Melinda Katz. Melinda Katz for DA. Yeah. And Malini is there. She was the one who organized it. Thank you, Malini. That was a wonderful event. And I look forward to Koshi being supported by not only Malayalis, but by all kinds of Indian Americans, you know. He deserves to be there. He would be, I'm sure he would be the best representative of all of us from District 23. I'm aware also of the things that have been going on. You know, for example, if you don't live here, you don't have a right to contest from this district. You know, that is the first requirement, that you have to be a domicile, a resident of this district. And all those who know a candidate does not live here, you should point it out. Honestly, you should not be afraid of challenging his candidature or her candidature. Well, there are so many things that we can say, but I would probably leave it at this point. That if we have to support Koshi, we have to support him in every way, financially. That is very important, because a campaign can be run only when you have a lot of money with you. The success of a campaign lies in having pockets full. So all of you, whosoever, as much as you can, as much as I can, I would support him monetarily, and also through my newspaper, the Indian Panorama. I will work out a plan to endorse him in times to come. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak with you. Thank you so much. All the best, Koshi.